How to reorder the edge panels on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now, after that, we scroll down and then tap on display. Next, we scroll down and tap on edge panels. In here, tap on the edge panels and make sure it is turned on. Then we go down and tap on panels. At the top here, tap on the more button. Then tap on reorder. Once you're in the reorder editing mode, you can then drag your panel and reorganize them in the order that you would like. And let's say I want people first, then apps, so I drag it to the left. And once you're happy, tap on the back key to save the changes. And here if I pull out my edge panels, and that is a new order. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.